everyone, in this chance I will explain to you about geometric transformation. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Imro'atus Salihah Az-Zahra from Universitas 11 Maret, majority in Math Education with study number K1325079. Let's get started. What is geometric transformation? Geometric transformation is a change to an object. The object referred to in geometric transformation include point, line, and plane shape. Geometric transformation has four types, include translation, rotation, reflection, and dilation. In this change, I just explain about dilation and reflection. Before going to the material about reflection and dilation, I would like to briefly explain a brief explanation about translation and rotation. Okay, one, translation. Translation is a change in the position of an object by a specific distance and direction. A translation can be represented by a directed line. Translation does not change the shape of the object. Okay, number two is rotation. Rotation is a form of transformation by rotating an object based on a certain angle and direction to its center of rotation. And then let's get started into the material. Number three is reflection. Reflection is a change in the direction of a point, characteristic by the properties of a plane mirror. The mirror in question is a reflection line. Property of reflection: A. The shape of the object is the same as the shape of the image. B. The distance from the object to the mirror is the same as the distance from the image to the mirror. C. The line connecting the object and the image is perpendicular to the mirror. And there were the kinds of reflection. First, reflection about the x-axis. If point A, xy, is reflected on the x-axis, the image is a action x point mean y. And the worst is example: if point A at point 5 is reflected on the x-axis, the image is a action 8 point minus 5. Okay. The second is reflection about the y-axis. If point A, x point y is reflected against the y-axis, the image is a action min x point y. In example, if A minus 5.6 reflected against in the y-axis, the image is a action 5.6. Okay, and the third is reflection about the origin. If point A, x point y is reflected against the origin 0.0, the image is a action minus x point minus y. In this example, if I 4.3 is reflected against the origin 0.0, the image is I action minus 4.3. Fourth, reflection on the line y equals to x. If point I x point y is reflected against the line y equals to x, the image is a accent y point x, and this is an example. If a minus 2.4 reflected against the line y equals to x, the image is a accent 4 minus 2. 5. Reflection to the line y equals to minus x. If point A, x point y is reflected against the line y equals minus x, the image is a accent minus y equals minus y point minus x. In this example, if point A 2.3 reflected against the line y equals to minus x, the image is a accent minus 3 point minus 2. And the sixth of the kinds of reflection is reflection on the line y equals to k. If point A, x point y is reflected against the line y equals to k, the image is a accent x point to k minus y. At the example, if point A 6.7 reflected against the line y equals to 5, the image is a accent 6.3. To calculate, you can see at the screen 2 times 5 minus 7 equals 3. That's right. Okay, the last of the kinds of reflection is reflection about the line x equals to k. If point A, x point y is reflected against the line x equals to k, the image is a accent to k minus x point y. In the example, if a 3.3 reflected against the line x equals to 6, the image is a accent 9.3. Okay, the last types of geometric transformation is dilation. Dilation is a change related to the size of an object with a certain scale factor, referring to a point called the center of dilation. Dilation scale factor. The dilation scale factor is determined by the distance from the center point to the object to the distance from the center point to the image. In the example on the side, the following applies: PA accent equals to 2PA, so the scale factor is 2. Dilation formula: the image of point A, x point y, by dilation with center P, A point B, and scale factor k is a accent k open bracket x minus a close bracket plus a point k open bracket y minus b close bracket plus b. For the example number 1, trapezium KLMN has coordinates k 2.4, L 4.3, M 4.2, and N 2.1. Trapezium KLMN is reflected over the x-axis to produce trapezium K accent, L accent, M accent, N accent. Determine the coordinate of points K accent L accent, M accent, N accent. The original coordinates xy and the reflection result x minus y. K 2.4, so K accent 2 point minus 4. L 4.3, so L accent 4 point minus 3. M 4.2, so M accent 4 point minus 2. N accent 2.1, so N 2.1, so N accent 2 point minus 1. And number 2, determine the dilatation result from point B 3 point minus 3 with a scale factor of 3 to the center point 4 point minus 4. The result of the dilation of point B is 3 point minus 3, so x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 3. The center point is 4 point minus 4, so A equals to 4 and B equals to minus 4. The result of the dilation of point x point y with a scale factor k around the center point A point B is x accent point y accent with x accent equals to k open bracket x minus a close bracket plus a. X accent equals to 3 open bracket 3 minus 4 close bracket plus 4. X accent equals to 3 times minus 1 plus 4. X accent equals to minus 3 plus 4 equals to 1. And then y accent equals to k open bracket y minus b close bracket plus b. Y accent equals to 3 open bracket minus 3 minus 4 close bracket plus open bracket minus 4 close bracket. So y accent equals to 3 minus 5 equals to minus 1. So the result of the dilation of point B is B accent 1 point minus 1. Okay, here are some practice questions that you can try. Number 1, given line AB passes through points A minus 1.2 and B minus 3.7. Line AB is reflected across the y-axis if the image of line AB is line A accent B accent. It passed through point. Number 2, a point is reflected across the line x equals to 3 if the coordinates of its image are 2 point minus 4. The coordinates of the point are number 3, point A minus 1.2 is dilated about center O 0.0 with a scale factor of 4. The coordinates of the image of point A are number 4. Point G 5 point minus 6 is dilated about center P 2 point minus 3 with a scale factor of minus 1/3 to produce point number 5. Triangle ABC has coordinates A minus 3.1, B 2.1 and C 1.4. Triangle ABC is dilated about center O 0.0 with a scale factor of 2. The area of triangle ABC after the dilation is okay, I think that's enough for my video. Sorry if there are many mistakes and there are still many shortcomings. Thank you for watching. See you later. Oh yeah, after this I will give you the answer K for the previous exercise.